Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials so nothing blocks the change. Ensure your account email is verified and two-factor authentication is accessible. Once done, gather the new country name, correct address format, and any ID or tax details the platform requires. Make sure to back up profile fields, saved payment methods, and note active gigs or orders that might be affected. Now navigate to your Sproutgigs profile settings and open the location or account region section to start the change process. You now perform the detailed edits inside account settings. Go to Settings, then Account, and open the location or country field. Carefully enter the official address format required by the new country, select the appropriate country from the drop-down, and update your phone country code if asked. Next, change payment and tax details so payouts route correctly. This often requires re-verifying bank or payment providers. Take your time here because mismatched payment info is the most common source of delays. Finish by saving changes and following any re-verification prompts. Upload ID or proof of address if requested, then refresh your session and sign out and back in to ensure the change propagates. Once complete, check active listings, tax settings, and payout schedules to confirm nothing broke. If your change is rejected, read the platform's validation messages closely. Usually the fix is re-uploading an exact scan of documents or correcting address format. If problems persist, contact support with concise error details and document file names attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.